Hello folks, it's Uncle Mitch again, okay? These are the types of people I found to be drenched in failure sauce. Reference the flaming ball of suck unified theory clip, but hey, these are the people that are pissing me off in life. And I'm not talking about any important sense. I'm just talking about, hey, I saw you do this and you pissed me off, okay? People who use quotation marks like this and while they're speaking, okay? It's like waving a red flag in front of a bull as far as I'm concerned, because what you just told me as a human being is that I'm too stupid to figure out your goddamn sarcasm, okay? If you are incapable of speaking in such fashion that people can pick up on the fact that you're being a sarcastic fuck, then don't engage in sarcasm. If you have to do the quotation marks, don't do it in front of me. I'm going to gore your ass like a goddamn fool. Pisses me off. Okay? The other thing, people who sit there and tell me 4 weeks in advance that they got plans on a specific day that have nothing to do with me, okay? And then ask, did you remember? Fuck you, no I didn't remember. I didn't write this shit down. It wasn't important to me. It's your job to keep reminding me of this shit. Yeah, it's a goddamn surprise. I don't care if you told me 4 fucking weeks ago, okay? Did you tell me yesterday? Then you fucking suck and you screwed up and I don't want to hear from you again, okay? Other people that piss me off. Fat people that are too goddamn sensitive about fat jokes. Hey, folks, I'm not pretending that fat's always a choice. But this goes along in a great big heap of bullshit, okay? If you belong to a group that you constantly make fun of and you're too sensitive about the jokes, guess what you just did? You verified that all the racist and bigot bastards were right about you. Hey, back off, have a laugh, and if necessary, turn around and tell them a Polak joke if they're Polish. Hey, if it's me, you could say Guido, Mick, guy with broken teeth, ugly balding bastard. There's all sorts of things you can attack me on. Go on the offensive. It's gonna be funnier, okay? One last person type that pisses me off, and yeah, there's billions of them out there, so more will creep out as time goes on, okay? But these idiots that say a whole nother or all of a sudden, okay? You basically took 3 or 4 words to say one fucking thing, okay? All of a sudden, okay? Suddenly works! Okay? Just thought you should pay attention to realize that. Go back to your English and your lit classes. You'll see that I'm right. Okay? And the people that say a whole nother, okay? How about another thing, a whole nother thing? And basically people adding syllables to their sentences in order so they look intelligent. No, you've proven to me that you're a fucking retard again, okay? And I gotta deal with it. There's scars all over my brain and it's your people's fault. I'm Uncle Mitch. That is all!